welcome to ShongHoJa video. Today I'm going to introduce this new model.
The new Weber Traveler Portable Barbecue.
One more interesting thing, this is made in Taiwan. Look here, Taiwan. Very interesting. This is menu. Oh, tomorrow we are going to cook steak. Okay? Alberta steak. Very heavy. 짜잔. Okay. Now we are going to put these bomboren wheels. What kind of pin?
Cotter pin.
Very special.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be strong. You gotta you gotta open that. And then you
Then?
and then there's a handle here. If you wanna put it down, you just lift it up a little bit, pull this handle, and then let it fall down.
Oh, automatic.
And then, bye-bye.
See you.
So I need to carry this bad boy now.
Put in the car.
Go like this.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So, well,
Lift up. Oh, and can put in the car. So we put on these two, what did you call this?
grills.
Wheels?
Grills.
Grills. Grill. Grills. Okay, looks good.
Thermometer here. You can measure the temperature.
This is very important.
Yep.
This one is, what did you call that one?
Drip tray.
Drip tray， 接一些脏物，像滴油啊
Yeah. So all the
，catch some oil，
oil. Yeah.